So welcome to the last fort at Gooseberry. What do you think so far?
I love it.
Should we do lap 2 or the west rim?
Sure. Yeah, let's get right on it.
You got a fresh battery?
Oh, no we don't. Never mind.
Stalled out.
What did I do? Oh. Nice. I'm right in your way. That you did yesterday. Nicely done, guys. I hope so. Yeah, we got a big hill here. Yeah, we're gonna go down there. I tried to drop the bottom a That'll work over there, Kate. Through the crack. We're dropping and rolling. Little drop here. Very nice.
Whoa!
Kind of hugging.
Beautiful. That was awesome. So welcome to the last fort at Gooseberry. What do you think so far?
I love it.
Should we do lap 2 or the west rim?
Sure. Yeah, let's get right on it.
You got a fresh battery?
Oh, no we don't. Never mind.